Hey family, welcome to day 16 of the tax video per day challenge. In today's video, this is for my small business owners, micro business, independent contractor. Currently, we are under a tax system that was created by the Trump administration, by the Tax Cut and Job Act, which has been in effect since 2018. All right, that was signed in 2017. This year, that is set to expire. So if you started your micro business since the time that that's been in existence, there may be some things that are going to potentially change for you. For example, there is something called QBI, which is the Qualified Business Income Deduction. With this deduction, if you qualify, you are getting an automatic deduction of 20% of your net income. What does that mean in layman's terms? It means that if you made $30,000 being a sole contractor, single member LLC, sole proprietor, if you made $30,000 net, right now the current tax plan is automatically letting you have $6,000 as a deduction. So for federal tax purposes, you would automatically only be getting taxed on $24,000 instead of the full $30,000. Now, of course, that's not taking into consideration the standard deduction or anything additional, but if you aren't aware of the fact that that may be expiring, that's additional money that you're not setting aside for taxes that you need to know about in case the qualified business income deduction, aka the QBI deduction, does actually expire on December 31st of this year. So, going back to the video I made yesterday where it said get your tax news from reliable resources, you want to make sure that you are checking out irs.gov, you are following reputable tax professionals that are going to keep you in the loop with what's going on in the tax world. Very shameless plug, you should be following me on the Tax Relief with Timbaland Bowens podcast, which has an episode coming out every other Friday. I will be back on January 31st. You can find me on any podcast streaming platform available. And if you don't even know who I am, my name is Timbaland Bowens, and I am America's favorite EA, and I'm here to fill the tax literacy gap one taxpayer at a time. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the podcast now, because on January 31st, I'm dropping episode 51, and it's for all taxpayers.